I have had clients who start everything from scratch over and over again and keep changing everything every single time. Hi, my name is Garima. I'm a creative consultant and I help businesses to build their marketing and sales strategies. But let me tell you a secret. I myself have changed my niche 6 times before landing my current one and making a profitable offer out of it. In my journey of building a successful business, every time I got an idea, I never started it from the scratch. Like, making all the content yet again, reworking on my notes, or, even the books that I bought. And, I was able to come up with an idea with all its homework done within the 3 days of failing the previous idea. But what made me different? That I had done my base work correctly and I stuck with it. I knew since the beginning who my niche or topic would be, what kind of problem that I want to solve, what business do I want to be into in the first place. Hey, but I'm no special person that I already knew from the beginning what I wanted to do. My initial days as a founder, I worked into chalking down all these details so that later I would be only working on marketing and sales of building my business. I read book after book, took courses after courses to build the acumen that I naturally had so that I can support it with logical reasoning. And I still do, like, I still keep on upgrading my skills every single day to become the business person that a business requires. I focused on building the business and not building the business from scratch every single time. And I'm about to tell you what exactly helped me to become faster in executing new ideas. Well, I guess all of you know the gist that you need to get your base correct. The base of your niche, the base of what your business will stand on. So, the one exercise that I did was to find my ikigai. Well, in my framework, ikigai is equal to the purpose. Basically, the purpose of your business, the purpose of you making a business in the first place. Well, we all know we need money, we are doing it for the money, but why not have fun while building or making money? Because until and unless you're having fun, you would not be able to scale the business, no matter how talented you are. So, on my left side, you will be seeing an image wherein there are 4 intersecting circles. Well, right at the center of all those 4 circles is your purpose. Now, each circle represents one question. The first one is what you love. The second is what you are good at. The third is what get paid for. And the fourth is what the world wants. So, what you need to do is first answer these 4 questions individually. I'll be showing you the examples that I did my work in, right? So now you'll be seeing the pictures wherein you can see I have answered each question on a different section of a page, right? So coming back to our diagram, so now that you have answered each one of the questions, we will be interconnecting all 4 of them among with each other. In the diagram above, you can see that when we intersect what you love and what you are good at, you get your passion, right? And that's what we are going to do with combining all 4 of them. So for your ease, I have given each circle a number, right? So 1 and 2 gives you your passion, 1 and 4 gives you your mission, 2 and 3 gives you your expertise, and 3rd and 4th is your calling, which means what are you meant to do. On the screen again, you will be seeing my example of my passion, my mission, my expertise, and my calling. No worries if you are confused at this stage, I'll be linking my exercises as an example on the bottom in description so that you can go through it and understand how you are supposed to do it. Once you have combined all of this, you would get your ikigai, that is the purpose of your business. Now you can see on the left how my ikigai looks like. Let me explain it to you. So, my ikigai says a business that helps other businesses to gain a consistent work inflow through custom design processes, frameworks, and operational systems using design thinking, creative analysis in order to enable them towards financial safety and a stress-free business. right? And that's what all my previous ideas, including the current one, had in common. Like, I first started off as a design coach, then I moved into design consultancy, then again I moved into giving consultancy to design coaches, and so on and so forth. And now I am in creative consultancy for businesses. So the point of this is that every time that I had to start on any new topic, the base of the business was the same. It was about communicating strategies, it was about coaching, teaching someone, and basically consulting them so that they grow their business, they are able to grow it through creativity. And as I said, right now I'm working as a creative consultant, wherein I help businesses to become successful with their marketing strategies, and I help them build their marketing strategies, and that's how I landed on a profitable business. So once you have your base right, you can hop on to knowing your audience more. How can you help or give a better solution for their problems? What exactly are their problems? These are the later steps that you can do in any idea that you stumble upon. But once you have got the base right, you are able to tweak or rework or anything within the minutes of days, and the execution becomes fast. It's okay to put in 2 weeks or a week into your journey for doing this, but once you have done this, you won't have to waste any more time in the future. So you can constantly execute, iterate, and make it better. So once you have got your base right, these are the exact steps that you would be doing one after the other. That is market research, then what their problems are, then what exactly to offer, like positioning your product, deciding the audience, and then product building, and so on and so forth. I hope this video helped you reach your goals much faster and gain a lot of clarity while building a business. Comment below if you want to know more about what next steps to follow and how will you proceed into it, and I'm happy to help you.